Good day, viewers. You are welcome. How to solve these nice algebraic equations where we have root a plus root minus a equals 8. So let's start from here. So we have a solution. And suppose we are given the square root of minus m. So this is equals square root of minus 1 multiplied by square root of m. And from the given problem, we are going to apply this rule. Then we have square root a plus square root of minus 1 multiplied by a equals 8. So we have this rule and we are going to apply it so that we have square root of a plus square root of minus 1 multiplied by square root of a equals 8. And after having this, so here we consider this square root which is common. So by factoring it out, we have square root of a into bracket of, so when we divide this one by square root of a, we have 1 plus, and when we divide this one by square root of a, we have square root of minus 1. So everything equals 8. And we have to note that suppose we have square root of minus 1, so square root of minus 1 is given as I, because when we have I squared equals minus 1. So when we change this, we have square root of a into bracket 1 plus I equals 8. And let's divide both sides by 1 plus I. So by dividing both sides by 1 plus I, we have 1 plus I cancelled here. Then we have the square root of a equals 8 divided by 1 plus I. And the next step, suppose from this left hand side, let's try to rationalize this. So by rationalizing this, we have square root of a equals 8 divided by 1 plus I multiplied by 1 minus I. So when we rationalize, this one will be the conjugate of this. So divided by 1 minus I. So and by multiplying these together, we have the square root of, by multiplying these together, we have square root of a equals 8 into bracket of 1 minus I divided by 1 plus I multiplied by 1 minus I. And from here, let's try to consider this expression under here. Suppose we have a plus b multiplied by a minus b. So this gives us a squared minus b squared. And here we have square root of a equals 8 into bracket of 1 minus I divided by, so 1 we multiply 1, that is 1. Then we have minus I squared. So after getting this, we have this as square root of a equals 8 into bracket of 1 minus I divided by, so I squared here is minus 1. And here we have 1 minus into bracket of minus 1. So we have this as square root of a equals 8 into bracket of 1 minus I divided by, so minus times minus, that is plus, then 1 plus 1 we get 2. And into here we have, from this expression, so we are going to have the square root of a equals 2 will go in 8, and that gives us 4 into bracket of 1 minus I. Then let's try to take the square of both sides. So by squaring both sides from here, we have this squared and this also squared. So when this square and the square root cancelled, we have a equals 4 into bracket of 1 minus I all raised to power of 2. So from here we have, a equals, so we have 4 into bracket of 1 minus I squared. It means that the 4 here we take squared and 1 minus I we also take squared. So here we have a equals 4 squared equals 16, and 1 minus I squared, we write it as 1 minus I multiplied by 1 minus I. So here we have a equals 16 into bracket of, so 1 times 1, that is 1. 1 times minus I, we have minus I. Minus I times 1, that is minus I. And minus times minus here, that is plus. Then I times I, we have I squared. So getting to this, we have our a equals 16 into bracket of 1 minus I, that gives us minus 2I. So plus, and I square here, we consider it as minus 1. So we have applied it above. Then from here, we are going to cancel 1 and minus 1. So by cancelling this and this, so we have this as a equals 16 into bracket of minus 2I. And from here, we have our a equals, when 16 multiply minus 2I, we have it as minus 32I. And minus 32I is the solutions to this problem. And let's see. So this gives the final answer to the given problem we have. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. See you in the next class. Bye bye.